Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make texture based canvas. Generally we are using two types of canvases, plain or texture based. So when we are going to do nature painting or something natural scenery and all, so texture based, if you are getting very real or 3D look, it is coming after painting. So how to make the texture on canvases, that I am going to show you today. In market, white texture paste is also coming, but here I am going to make my own texture. So you can mix plaster of Paris, fevicol and water to make a paste. You have to mix it very well and then pour it on your canvas and apply it with the help of palette knife. So this is the on how to bring texture that I will show you. You see in this video. And one more method I have shown. Just I had white primer. I mixed plaster of Paris in that white primer and mix it very well. So this paste has become, and that paste I applied on my canvas. So just come and see how to make this texture on canvas. I am going to show you all. This is a paste. I poured it on canvas and now mix it well. Spread it properly with the help of palette knife, or you can use ice cream spoon sticks also, wooden sticks. With that also you can spread if you don't have palette knife. Spread it well, slowly. Now you have to pat it with a knife or any tool you can take it. And give the proper texture. Try to give all equal textures, all the side equally. And now you have to let it dry. Now your textured canvas is ready. You can make any painting on this, any landscape or anything, whatever you will do, it will look very beautiful. A different look it will bring. Thank you so much for watching this video and for a great support. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe also if you have not done.